Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple slides in Google Slides. So if you're tired manually clicking on a slide and then you have to right click on it to delete a slide, then there are a few ways you can try to delete multiple slides in just a few seconds. First, you can use the Control key on the keyboard to essentially select multiple slides. So let's say you can click on the very first slide and then press and hold the Control key on the keyboard. If you're using Mac, then that's going to be the Command key. After that, you can click on any slide that you want to remove. You can see that the slides that are in blue means that they are selected, meaning that if you perform one action like deleting one slide, it means everything or all of them will be removed. So if I right click on any of them and click delete, you'll see that 5 slides have been removed. So that's one way to do that. Another way is by using the Shift key on the keyboard, and I think this is much more useful, especially for a very long Google Slides presentation. Let's say I want to remove this slide until this slide number 10. So you can use the control method by manually clicking one of them, but I could just use the Shift key. So what you need to do is just put or select one slide at the very top and then press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. You can press that later. Just scroll down and then press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard and then click at the very end of the slide, like that. It means the whole slide from number 1 to number 10, all the slides in between will be selected. And after that, you can right click on any of them and you can delete that. So that's essentially how you can quickly remove multiple slides in Google Slides.